Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 26 on your Apple device. So guys, if you want to update your device to the latest version, that is iOS 26, and you want to update your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, restart your device for one time, and after this drag down your control center and you have to connect your device with the strong internet connection. So guys, restart device and then connect with a strong Wi-Fi or internet connection, and after this go back and go to settings and then go to general, then go to iPhone storage, and you have to simply make sure that there is enough space in your iPhone to download and install the latest updates. After this, go back and then scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time from here. Then tap on language and region and tap on region and select your country or region correctly. After this, go back and now go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. Then go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. Then go back and tap on screen time. Go to the content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions on your device as well. After this, go back and go to general section, then go to software update and then go to beta updates from here, and from here you have to check this button to iOS 26 developer beta. So guys, if it is on off, you have to simply check this to iOS 26 developer beta, then go back and here you will get the iOS 26 beta updates. You have to simply tap on update now, and after this your device will be updated to the latest version. So guys, in this way you can also install the latest iOS 26 version on your Apple device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.